Testo's roundabout, turning right, third exit. Soon as Mr. Driving Examiner or the sat-nav tells you to turn right, you need to be making sure it's safe and moving into the right lane. If you look at the sign on the left hand side, it says Sunderland North is right, third exit. If you look at the sign on the right hand side, it says A184 East. So that is a little bit confuzzling for learner drivers. So as I say, as soon as you're asked to turn right, you need to move over to the right lane. I can see the bus with the indicator on for right. It's wanting to emerge into my lane, so I just check my mirrors and take my foot off the gas and let the bus move over. I can see the sign on the left telling me that I need the right lane, so I check the right door mirror. I can see it's safe to move over. I have a sideways glance, I signal for right, and I drift into the right lane. The right lane does not split into two lanes, so you need to take up the right lane. You must take up the right lane to turn right, third exit. Count the exits. There's number 1. There's number 2. Now is the time to be looking in the left door mirror. Whatever you do here, do not go round in the right lane. You need to move over to the left lane after this second exit. You have 2 lanes to move across. Have a look in the door mirror. When you level, if it's safe, put the signal on. If it's not safe, then just go back round the roundabout. If somebody's coming round in the wrong lane, just go back round. But as soon as you pass the second exit, you should be over to the far left lane. Check the mirrors and signal to leave the roundabout. Before you go, it's time to plug the blueprint to learning to drive a car. The driving instructors at Bradley's have developed a paint-by-numbers, step-by-step guide on how to drive a car. The blueprint works with every type of learner. Take the stress out of learning and learn to drive with Bradley's. You will pass quicker with us than any other driving instructor or driving school out there. Don't believe us? Just put us to the test. Call now on 0800 328 7099.